Today we're talking about something that's been driving people crazy, the missing add songs to WhatsApp status feature. If you've been tapping around wondering, where'd my music button go? Don't worry, I got you. Let's fix it step by step. And yes, it's going to be quick and easy. I know, it sounds too simple, but sometimes your phone just needs a little nap to wake up feeling fresh and functional. So go ahead, give it a quick restart and then check if the feature's back. Head over to the App Store or Google Play Store, type in WhatsApp, and if you see that update button, smash it. Sometimes new features are only available with the latest version. So update and see if that magical music button comes back. Okay, this one's just for my iPhone fam. Hello there. Try offloading the app. It's like a mini reset that keeps your chats but clears out the junk. Here's how you do it. Go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage, find WhatsApp, tap Offload App, then reinstall it. Boom, like a mini spa day for your app. And if all else fails, we go full ninja. Uninstall WhatsApp, then reinstall it from the App Store. But wait! Before you do that, make sure to back up your chats, okay? Unless you like living dangerously. After reinstalling, log back in, and the music feature should, fingers crossed, be back in action. And that's it. 4 easy-peasy steps to bring back your tunes on WhatsApp status. Let me know in the comments which step worked for you. And if you're still stuck, I'll try to help out there too. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button and share this with a friend who's missing their status jam. Until next time, keep vibin', keep fixin', peace.